Computer-aided design, CAD, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of computer software to create, modify, and optimize designs for products and parts. CAD software allows designers and engineers to create 2D and 3D models of products, test their functionality, and make changes before the product is manufactured. This service is essential in the manufacturing industry as it helps to reduce errors, improve accuracy, and speed up the design process. CAD software is used in various industries, including automotive, aerospace, architecture, and electronics. In the automotive industry, CAD is used to design car parts, engines, and entire vehicles. In the aerospace industry, CAD is used to design aircraft parts and systems. In architecture, CAD is used to create building designs and floor plans. In electronics, CAD is used to design circuit boards and other electronic components. The benefits of CAD in the manufacturing industry are numerous. It allows for faster design iterations, reduces the need for physical prototypes, and enables designers to test and optimize designs before production. CAD also helps to reduce errors and improve accuracy, which can save time and money in the long run. Additionally, CAD software can be integrated with other manufacturing software, such as computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, and product lifecycle management, PLM, software, to create a seamless design to production process. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in custom packaging solutions for various industries, including food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and consumer goods. CAD is an essential service for Berkness Company as it allows them to create custom packaging designs for their clients. With CAD software, Berkness Company can create 3D models of packaging designs, test their functionality, and make changes before production. This helps to ensure that the final product meets the client's specifications and requirements. If you are interested in learning more about CAD and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts can provide you with more information on CAD and how it can be integrated into your manufacturing process to improve efficiency and accuracy. FAQs. 1. What is CAD and how is it used in manufacturing? CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design, and it is a software tool used by engineers and designers to create 2D and 3D models of products and parts. CAD software allows for precise measurements, simulations, and testing of designs before they are physically produced. This helps to reduce errors, improve efficiency, and save time and money in the manufacturing process. 2. What are the benefits of using CAD in manufacturing? Using CAD in manufacturing offers several benefits, including increased accuracy and precision in design, faster prototyping and testing, reduced errors and rework, improved communication and collaboration among team members, and the ability to easily modify and update designs as needed. CAD also allows for the creation of detailed documentation and instructions for production, which can help to streamline the manufacturing process and ensure consistency and quality. 3. What are some common CAD software programs used in manufacturing? There are several CAD software programs used in manufacturing, including AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, Inventor, and Fusion 360. Each program has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of software often depends on the specific needs and preferences of the user. Some programs are better suited for certain types of designs or industries, while others may offer more advanced features or better compatibility with other software tools. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.